Thank you, Terry. Good afternoon, Honorable Chief Guest, Principal, esteemed HODs, and all the faculty members, and distinguished guests, and also to my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you to this momentous occasion, to the launch of the inaugural science magazine of Karim City College, brought to you by the Scientific Literature Society Department of Physics. In this edition of the magazine, we aim to reach the readers from all walks of life, educating and fostering a scientific temperament in this society. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge our HOD, Dr. Tufail Ahmed, who initiated this thought that Karim City College should have a science magazine. We aim to have a reading-writing culture which is on the downside in this generation. It was his vision that inspired us, that the Scientific Literature Society, under the guidance, and start working on the magazine, which we have been working for months now. Our magazine is named the Unity Spectrum. The name Spectrum signifies the broad range of topics and ideas covered in this publication, reflecting diverse interests and the nature of science that deals with this universe. The initiative would not have been possible with the unwavering support of the guidance of the faculty advisors, Dr. Tufail sir, DK sir, and Asghar sir, and the dedication of my editorial team and the enthusiasm of our writers. To my editorial team, it's a moment of joy, pride, and relief that after months of hard work, the pages we have been working are now to life. Now I would like, without further ado, would like to invite our chief guest, Dr. S.K. Gorai, Principal Sir, to join the stage officially launch our magazine. I would like to invite the chief faculties and other faculties of the physics department, Professor Asghar sir, and DK sir, to officially launch the science magazine, which is the Unity Spectrum. Can we have a round of applause, right?
Now it's time for a very special moment, the launch of the Unity song. The lyrics of the song are beautifully penned by Tufail Ahmed sir. We have an amazing lineup of singers who will perform it for us today. Please welcome Akash Mahmood.
हम नई मंजिलों की तलाश है जो रूज़े इल्म को जा सके उन रास्तों की तलाश है यूनिटी के संग चले हैं हम नई मंजिलों की तलाश है जो रूज़े इल्म को जा सके उन रास्तों की तलाश है यूनिटी के संग चले हैं हम नई मंजिलों की तलाश है इल्म हुनर के जहान के बड़े गोशे में हम जा सके जो खबर नहीं उसे जान कर जो मिला नहीं उसे पा सके हमें डीएनए का पता चले हमें आरएनए की खबर मिले सभी राज़े हस्को को हमें जानने का हुनर मिले हमें कैंसरों की समझ भी हो हमें जोड़ों में सुकून मिले जो गिरद की करता हो रहबर हमें बोली जो से जुनून मिले यूनिटी के संग चले हैं हम नई मंजिलों की तलाश है जो रूज़े इल्म को जा सके उन रास्तों की तलाश है कभी माथे के जिगर में हो कभी गहरे कशा के भंवर में हो कभी क्वांटम के असर में हो कभी मौज बन के सफर में हो कभी अब से अपने कभी रंग आए समा में हो कभी इम्तिहान मकान पर कभी
and teachers for their presence. You may now return to your seats. Event Unity Quiz Art Season 2. This quiz is open to all undergraduate and postgraduate students from any department. This year's theme is logical reasoning, a crucial skill for competitive exams. Building on the success of Season 1, which focused on the environment, this quiz will challenge your common sense, logic, and mental aptitude through various rounds. Organized by the Unity Physics Club, the event aims to enhance critical thinking and problem-solving skills among students. To give you a bit more detail on how this competition has shaped up so far, the prelims round started at 10 o'clock this morning with numerous entries. For the first time ever, we conducted the prelims online, from which 20 participants were selected for the mains round. Today, these 20 participants have been narrowed down to 10 finalists who will compete for the title of Ultimate Champion. Please welcome our top 10 finalists to the stage.
To embark on a thrilling journey of great power and fun, myself happy and I'm beyond excited to welcome you all to the Unity Quiz Art Season 2. We have an amazing event lined up for you today, packed with fun and challenging questions that will really get your brains self-inspiring. It's a pleasure to welcome Krishna, my co-host, and today's irresponsible for student testing.
Thank you, Tanvi. The pleasure is all mine. She led the brilliant team who crafted the questions that you are going to face today. I'm sure you will think big, but I'm also sure that this will be fun and exciting.
So buckle up guys and get ready for an afternoon of intellectual fun. First, I would like to introduce you to our top 10 contestants who will battle out to become the champion of Quiz Art Season 2. So, can you please welcome our top 10?
The top 10 contestants, as we call your names, please come up on stage. Satyam Sadar, PCA Semester 4. Can we have a welcome button, guys? Satyam Sadar, Adarsh Kumar Singh, Ayush Kumar Prasad, Aman Kumar, Fauzia, Shubham Suman, Pratik Raj, Rakesh Mal, Manish Nayak, and Rishita Pawar, in that order. Then Adarsh.
Scores. In case of tie, we have tiebreaker questions, but if the tiebreaker cannot make a decision, we will have to decide based on your rank in the prelims round. In the first round, we will start with our top 8 contestants. The top 8 will advance to the next round, then narrow down to the top 6. Finally, in the buzzer round down to finale, the top 4 will compete to determine the top 3 winners of Unity Quiz Art Season 2, which will eventually give us the top 3 winners of this season.
Okay, guys, let me explain once again. I to the GKs and audience how the quiz will go. This is the top 10. We will have 4 rounds. In each round, we will have 2 eliminations based on the low scores. Okay? For each round, so top 10, then top 8, then top 6, then top 4, and top 4 will be the final round where we choose the top 3. And that is the winners. Okay? This is an individual event, no groups are formed, so you are playing for yourselves. I would also like to introduce you to our scorers, the 2 gentlemen, Suman Sarkar and Shivam Saroj, right across the stage, who will be the scorers for the play. Alright, over to you, Karan.
Okay, so let's kick off with round 1, the mind game. In this round, you will need to showcase your skills in pattern recognition. Each contestant will face a unique question that tests your ability to identify and complete patterns. You will have 90 seconds to answer each question. A correct answer will earn you 10 points, while an incorrect answer will deduct 10 points. Get ready to put your minds to the test.
The first question on your screen for the first contestant is this. please? It is option C and 10 points. Correct answer, guys. Congratulations. Just a second. Okay, so Satya, you are on 10 points. The next question is directed to Adarsh Kumar Singh, and here it is on the screen.
Next question is your select a spherical figure from the four alternatives that complete the figure. And these are your options. You can see on the screen.
Your example time, please think about it. No pressure, but not more than 2 minutes. Take your time, others. Think about it. What's the pattern? There are 7 patterns, so you can find 7 1, 6. Others to answer. Your answer? Yes? Option A is in others. Can you see the answer, please? It's option C, and unfortunately, it's a minus 10 to others to answer. But no problem. We have more rounds for you. Okay. The next question is directed to Ayush Kumar Prasad, and it's on screen right now.
Question 3 on the screen. Figure from the four alternatives complete the
Yeah. Can you have the answer? Option A is Ayush. Can you see the answer? And it's option B. And we have a minus 10 for Ayush as well. Alright, moving on. The next question on screen, please.
select a spherical figure from the four alternatives that will complete the figure. Options on your screen.
It's from Aman. Take your time, Aman. What's the correct figure, do you think? Aman says B. Can you see the answer? Just wait. And it's option B. Correct answer from Aman. 10 points. Come on, bring it up for Aman, guys. Alright. What's the other? Any pressure? The last one, David? No problem. Let's see. Then the next question. That's directly to Fausia.
Question 5. Which figure comes next in the sequence?
Take your time, Fausia. Think about it. Would you like an answer from the Fausia?
Is it option A?
Is it option A? You need to confirm which option. Let's see the answer, please. It's option B, and unfortunately, Fausia, it's a minus 10 for you. Alright, moving on to the next table. Right?
Question 6. Fill in the missing gap in order to complete the sequence. Options on your screen.
You have a question mark, you need to fill the question mark for the given options. You have time? Think about it. A. The answer to say is A. So Saurabh says A. Can you see the answer? Just read. And it is answer A. And 10 points in. Saurabh with 10 points, guys. Give it up. Okay. Saurabh with 10 points from the first table. Okay. Now moving on. The next contestant, that is Pratik Raj. Pratik Raj, your question on screen, here it is.
Question number 7. Which figure comes next in the sequence? Options on your screen.
Find out the sequence next. And that time, think about it. It's a straight question to Pratik. Pratik has an answer. Yes, Pratik. It's B, he says. is. Can we see the answer this week? It is option C, and we have a -10 for Pradeep. No problems. We move on to the next contestant. Rakesh Wal on the center, guys. We have a question for Rakesh Wal here on screen.
Question A. Select the suitable figure from the four alternatives that will complete the figures. Options on your screen.
Find out the question mark. You have enough time, Rakesh. Think about it. Okay, it's time for the answer, Rakesh. What do you think is the answer? Yeah, go on, go ahead. Check it out. 30 seconds, Rakesh. Option D. Option D is Rakesh. Very confidence. Can we see the answer, please? And it is option B. And sorry, Rakesh, you have a -10. Alright, moving on, we have Manish Naik from Maths Honors, a mathematician probably. Let's see the next question for Manish Naik on screen.
Select a suitable figure from the four alternatives that will complete the figure. Options on your screen.
There is a question mark, you need to fill the question mark. He has answer, I guess. Option D. Option A says Manish. Can we see the answer? He said A, right? And the answer is C, and we have a -10 for Manish. Okay. So the final question of round 1, and it is to Rishita Baba. Any the pressure? B? The question is already on screen. The question number 10.
Last question. Select a suitable figure from the four alternatives that will complete the figure. Options on your screen.
Take your time, Rishita. Okay, it's time for the answer, Rishita. Option C. Okay, this is option C. And it is option C. We have the correct answer and 10 points for the final answer of round 1. Congratulations, Rishita, you are on 10 points. I wait for the scorers to give me the update. Suman and Shiva, can I see what's the standings? Please pick it. 6 guys will go through a tie break. Now let me tell you, we have one tie break for 2 people. Okay? With flash questions, you need to raise your hand. Whoever says first will go ahead, other will be going back to their positions. Now, if the tie break is not able to find out a decision, the brilliant round will make the final decision. Okay? So we have Adarsh Kumar Singh and Ayush Kumar Prasad for the first tie break. The screen. Can we have the tie break on screen, please? So it's between Adarsh Kumar Singh and Ayush Kumar Prasad. One will go out, one will go ahead. You need to raise the answer, raise the hand whenever you know the answer. Okay? This is the question on your screen. Here it is.
So your question is, arrange the words given below in a meaningful sequence. 1 is your poverty, second population, third death, fourth unemployment, fifth is your disease. And your options on the screen.
Okay. Ayush was the first one to raise the hand. Can I see that? Option C says Ayush. And option C is Ayush. You're moving ahead to the next one. Sorry, Ayush, with your girl. We have more. Okay. So next is Fawzia and Pratik Raj. Fawzia and Pratik Raj. You're Pratik, she is Fawzia, and we have a question on screen.
So your question is, complete the series E, 5, G, 7. I is 9, K is 11. So your next steps will be, and your options are on the screen.
Okay, so Pratik was the first one to raise their hand, and Pratik has an answer.
Option C.
Option C says Pratik. Can you see the answer? You're wrong, Pratik. And boss, yeah, right. Goes ahead. The next round. Okay. Now, moving on to the final tiebreaker. Rakesh, no. I'm sorry? You will be going ahead with Rakesh for a tiebreaker. Because yeah, you know you didn't answer. You don't raise a hand, you have a chance. Come on, raise a hand. Now, just a second. Yes, okay, you raised your hand. He was first and he's wrong. He's out. You're still in the game. I'm sorry, everyone. I made a mistake. I'm sorry, Fauzi. I made a mistake. We have two people who have wrong answers and we have one tie. It was my bad. I made a mistake. I'm sorry. Okay. So a tie break is between Rakesh Mal and Manish Nayak on screen. Next question, please.
Last question. Fill in the blanks and complete the following series. ANE-BA-NED-MED-AN-BB. You have to fill in the blanks.
And Manish has already the answer. Yes, Manish. Option D. D. Okay, this is option D. Can I see the answer? This is option D. And you are going ahead. Congratulations to Manish. Okay, guys. So two guys will be eliminated. Thank you, guys. You had a great time to enjoy the next round of the quiz. Thank you.
In the following number series, the wrong number is given. Find out the wrong number. 4, 39, 269, 1605, 899, 3211. And the options on the screen: option A 4, option B 39, option C 269, option D 1005.
Okay, guys. I guess the time's up. No? Yes. Anybody from the audience who has an answer? Yes. Anyone from the audience who has an answer to this question? What's the answer? Well, option A. Okay, this is option A. Can we have an answer, please? It's option A, and it's correct. Give me a point, guys. Okay, so you must declare that out of these guys, only 8 will go ahead. And if the tiebreaker is not able to decide, the prelims rank will decide. So Rakesh, you are eliminated on the basis of the prelims rank. I'm sorry, guys. Thank you. Rakesh and Pratik, thank you for your time. Only for you audience. Okay. So we have a question. Tell me.
Nikon is to raise and hibernation is to option.
Okay, please see a couple of hands. Who was the first?
Because you already have so many hands.
Option. Second, please come forward and tell what's the option. Please come forward. I cannot hear you. This is option D, right? Okay. Is it the option D? It's option D. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. What is the name of this? You know, right? Okay. We have one more question from the audience. Guys, please maintain the level. We have a question next for you. Next for you. Next question for the audience, please. This is the next question. Tell me.
So the next question is, you have to fill the last line. Daisy, flower, flower of your house. Your options are option A, building, option B, cottage, option C, apartment, option D, city. Can we see the answer? Incorrect, sorry.
Alright, guys, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the next round of this quiz. Just make the buttons and prepare for the next round of the quiz.
To the second round, the analytical arena. In this round, we will challenge your logical thinking and problem-solving skills with questions based on narrations. So get ready to test your analytical abilities. There are 8 questions, one for each contestant. A correct answer earns you 10 points, and incorrect answer deducts 10 points. You have 2 minutes to answer each question.
Okay, I like to explain one thing. In this round, this will be direct question, 8 questions, 1 to each, right? Once one has selected an option, you can challenge them. You can challenge them in the sense that if you think she selects option 1 and you think that's incorrect, you can challenge that this is not correct. And if you challenge,
Challenger gets 15 points for a correct answer and loses 15 points for an incorrect one.
so it's a high risk, high reward. If you challenge and give a correct answer, you get a plus 15. But if the challenger gets a wrong answer, it's a minus 15. Okay? Alright. Top 20, please stay back. We have the participation certificates for you lined up as well. Okay. Moving on. Okay. So moving on with round 2, the first question is to Satyam Sadhar on screen, and here it is.
So the first question, introducing a man, woman said, his father-in-law's father is my father-in-law. How is the man related to the woman? Your options are option A, son, option B, son-in-law, option C, mother, option D, mother-in-law.
Others, please pay attention because it's a challenge now. You can challenge whatever answer Satyam gives. Okay, you have an answer? Yes. Satyam? It's not working? What's the answer? Okay, Satyam says B, son-in-law. Anyone for the challenges? Nobody for the challenge. Can we see the answer? It's B, and it's correct, Satyam. 10 points to Satyam. Alright, moving on. The next is to others Kumar Singh. Others, there is your question on screen.
The question is, A, B, and C are sisters. E is the brother, E is the brother of E, and E is the daughter of B. How is A related to B? The options are option A, sister, option B, cousin, option C, niece, and option D, aunt.
Alright, think about it, others. Because it's a challenge now, you can challenge whatever answer Satyam gives. Okay, Satyam says B, son-in-law. Anyone for the challenges? Nobody for the challenge. Can we see the answer? It's B, and it's correct, Satyam. 10 points to Satyam. Alright, moving on. The next is to others Kumar Singh. Others, there is your question on screen.
The question is, A, B, and C are sisters. E is the brother, E is the brother of E, and E is the daughter of B. How is A related to B? The options are option A, sister, option B, cousin, option C, niece, and option D, aunt.
Alright, think about it, others. You have 2 minutes. Others have got the answer. Okay, here's the answer. Yes. D. Okay, this is option D. Anyone for the challenge, guys? No one for the challenge. Okay, you have a challenge? Oh, okay. We have a challenger and he says C. Answer? You said D. That's the answer. It was D and it was correct. So it's others who is getting 10 points and a -15 for Amit Kumar. Come on, guys, give me some applause, guys. We have others in the correct answer, and he's on 10 points. Alright, moving on to the next participant. That's Ayush Kumar Prasad. Ayush Kumar Prasad. Here is the next question on screen.
Question is, B is the husband of P, Q is the only grandson of P, who is the wife of P and mother-in-law of P. How is B related to P? The options are option A, nephew, option B, cousin, option C, son-in-law, option D, son.
Ayush on the spot. But the rest, please think about it. It's a challenge round. Audience, I know you know the answers, but please maintain the decor.